What's up guys, this is Seth from TechShift, and today we're going to do an unboxing on the Samsung Chromebook. Now, I've been waiting 2 days to unbox this. I bought this at Best Buy 2 days ago, and I wanted to unbox it right away, but then I had to wait until I got my camera equipment, and also yesterday I was just busy with real life stuff. So let's get on with it and cut it open. We have official Samsung tape right here. Cut it open. That's good. And here we go. Some foam right here. Quick start guide. What is this? This is the charger cables. And we have the Chromebook. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Alright, I'm just going to toss this aside. And we'll see if it actually has enough juice to boot up. Chrome OS installed an update and it just got rebooted. So let's take a look at the OS. Before it rebooted, I unpinned some tabs and changed the wallpaper, so let's log in. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick little overview about the Chrome OS. Basically, we have an app tray right here that has all the apps. We have the Chrome Web Store, Chrome, Google Drive. I installed Dropbox myself. We have Bank of America, Scratchpad. So basically how this OS works is when you open up the apps, it basically opens up in the Chrome web browser. So let me show you right now. If I click on YouTube, it'll open up YouTube right from the browser. And speaking of YouTube, let's play a video, see if it plays. Should play. Alright, so let me just skip through this. So as you can see, it plays video just fine. Let me open up Dropbox. As you can see, it opens up right from the browser. So I have my Dropbox account right here. Scratchpad. Scratchpad is an application that syncs to your Google Drive. Basically, it's like a notepad. Let's take a look at the keyboard. As you can see, it's a chiclet style keyboard. There are some differences from a standard keyboard, of course. As you can see, look at the top, they removed the function keys, the F1 through F12. They had escape, back, forward, reload. This is a maximize and restore button, and this is to toggle between windows or apps. If you have multiple apps open, this will toggle in between it. We have brightness down, brightness up. We have a mute, volume down, volume up, and the power button. Another thing you'll notice is they removed the caps lock key with a search key, and they removed the Windows key or meta key. Basically, this will act as the meta key. When you press on it, it'll open up the app tray, and you can search from here. Let's say I want to search for I want to search Google for, let's say, cats. So I'll type cats, and as you can see, it'll open up Google. Right there you have some it'll search right there. You can choose to remap this key to Shift, Control, Alt, and restore it back to caps lock if you wish, but they don't have the option to remap this to backspace. The Chromebook is made of plastic, but it looks like it's made of aluminum. It's not. The touchpad is very big, very wide, and it's pretty good. If you like touchpads. Personally, I'd rather use a mouse, but this is very adequate. Two-finger scrolling works really well. What do I think about this Chromebook? I like it a lot. I think it's a very good deal for what you pay for. You pay $250 for this. This is cheaper than a netbook, and it pretty much performs the same function. Albeit, you can only use Chrome OS, and you can't do things like video editing or photo editing. They say you can. I'll have to look more into that. For my first impressions, it reminds me a lot of Firefox's Prism. If you don't know what Prism is, Firefox developed this feature called Prism. What it did was, if you go to a web page like YouTube, you hit menu or settings or whatever, and you click create web apps, and basically it'll pin a little icon on your desktop or your start menu or whatever, and you can launch YouTube straight from the icon. It's like a link, but you can build a web app for, let's say, YouTube, Dropbox, or whatever. Pretty much very similar to this, except for this is the OS itself. So this is what it reminds me of. I'm not sure what I think about it right now. Overall, I think it's pretty good for what it is. The desktop effects are pretty good. They remind me of Kwin or Compass Fusion for Linux, and we have a little bit of Windows Aero glass theme going on up here. So it does look very attractive, and the toolbar, you can hide it if you want right here. It looks pretty good, and I like it for what it is so far. Those are my first impressions, and I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.